Say yum, yum, yum. How's it look?
Yum.
It does look yum, doesn't it?
Yummy.
Good job, Mommy.
Good job
What do
cooking.
you call this?
Sausage, green pepper hash.
All right, who's gonna pray? Who's gonna pray?
I will. God, thank you for this wonderful day. Thank you for our food. Thank you for our family. Thank you for everything, God. Thank you for sending Jesus down to save us. Amen.
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 Awesome. This is a after dinner walk or run. We had a great dinner.
Look, that tree. Oh my goodness, that's perfect palm tree. That's like.
Sarah says that there's emus over here. First of all, how do you spell that? E-M-U? Doubt it.
Hi, Ema!
You hear him?
You got that, Daddy!
You said they're on a nest?
Yeah, the male sits on the nest for 2 months.
Wow. How do you spell that?
E-M-U. Told ya.
Sarah was right.
Yeah.
So this is like a magical tree. It's almost like a storybook tree. Oh, sweet. Good boy. You do it.
Remember, you have to get down. Wherever you go, you gotta get down.
Good boy. How tall are you? Holy moly, dude. We just heard there's tortoises. Evidently there's emus and tortoises.
A few inches later.
This was that one.
Ooh, it's nice and warm. Harry the tortoise. Who knew turtles were such high maintenance? So we stumbled across a full-on farm. They got goats.
Look at the counter.
We sneezed on us.
Say what?
We are not farm people. Smells yummy, boys.
Nutter butters and put it.
There's somebody's feet that smells so bad we have to wash it before we go to bed so we can survive. What are we doing?
What's on my feet?
Why's your feet so stinky?
Tough, dirty stuff on it.
Dirty stuff on it? You smell like a stinky dog. It's night 2 and we're at Devil's Den. Successful day number 2.
Good night.